The Apple Watch Series 9 is expected to be unveiled currently at the Apple event. While we're delving into the latest iPhone 15 rumors, you may be wondering what to anticipate from Apple's watch range in 2023. Since the original, Apple has produced a new Apple Watch every year, even adding a few major alternatives such as the low-cost Apple Watch SE and sporty Apple Watch Ultra. The Apple Watch Series 9 and a second-generation Apple Watch Ultra, or the Apple Watch Ultra 2, are expected to be unveiled during today's Apple event. According to rumors, this year's Apple Watch models will get minor improvements. Owners of the Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple Watch Ultra are unlikely to switch to the next updates, according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman. This insight may imply that the Apple Watch-related news we're hearing today pales in comparison to iPhone 15 news. However, there are a few indications as to how the Apple Watch Series 9 will vary from the Apple Watch Series 8. For starters, the Apple Watch Series 9 is expected to get its most major performance increase in years, with a new chip bringing the first meaningful improvement since the Apple Watch Series 6. A new optical heart rate sensor is also rumored for the Apple Watch Series 9. The fourth-generation sensor may improve exercise tracking accuracy as well as Apple's heart health services such as abnormal heart rate alarms and ECG readings. This heart rate sensor, along with Apple's new U2 ultra-wideband processor for enhanced Find My functions, should be included in the Apple Watch Ultra 2. We've heard that the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and Apple Watch Ultra will be quite similar. A new 3D printing manufacturing technology might be used to create both the Apple Watch Series 9 and the Apple Watch Ultra materials. Apple is purportedly exploring the possibility of expanding to other product categories. If this is the case, the change should not have an aesthetic impact. Instead, the Apple Watch Series 9 in pink and the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in dark titanium may be the sole ways to distinguish the 2023 gadget lineup from the previous years. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.